Alright, so I got a 2003 Ford Expedition 4-wheel drive. This hub is totally shut, and show you how to replace it. We got an 18 millimeter here on the brake caliper, and we have another 18 millimeter here on the brake caliper with bracket. Take them two off, take the bracket and the caliper, and stick it up here. And also on the hub itself, there's 4 18s. 1, 2, and 3, and there's gonna be one on the bottom here. I'll show you that here shortly. All right, so I got a 36 millimeter bolt here for the axle. This bolt down here on the bottom, I had to wrench out. ABS wire, which goes around and plugs in right there. Get that to focus. And don't forget, put your nut back on there and tap on this to get your axle out this hub here. And then you want to get your screwdriver up in the back of here, between the backing plate. See if I can get a good picture between the backing plate and the spindle here. And you're just gonna have to beat on it till you get it to break loose. Once you get it to break loose, it should come right off there. So in the process, I did bust a couple lugs, bent a couple of them, hit it with the hammer. But anyway, I got it off. I got my new one here, and part number for the passenger rear. That's just probably the same thing on the driver rear. If this helps you out, push that like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thank you. Like I said, 36 millimeter, 18, and the 2 bolts up here for the brake caliper bracket are 18 millimeters. And remember, this bolt here on the bottom I had to get out with a wrench. It's not enough room to get the socket in there. Probably is if you use a short one, but I just went to use a wrench. So, and be careful, because you will damage the little backing plate here when you put the screwdriver in it. So thank you for watching. 2003 Ford Expedition 4-wheel drive rear hub.